us that Jamba Juice that one day, so I kind of owe you one.
Please do
Are
tricks.
you recording me?
Yes. Please do tricks.
It's confidential.
Please do
Delete
tricks.
that. Delete the file. Delete the file.
Wow, that was a nice image. Delete it.
It's gonna be a good one.
Good one, Bottom.
We only got like 20 people for our last show. So.
You want to see Dragon movie? Do you want to see Dragon movie?
Do you want to? We've got nothing else to do. Will you
Your
watch
coin
it
in
with
my
us?
slot, cameraman.
What
You
is
don't
that?
even get the humor in that. It's cancer donation.
You don't have cancer.
No, I don't. But
Who has cancer?
Carlos here. That's not even fun. That's too lowbrow for me.
Sorry, Carlos. It's been nice knowing
My
you.
condolences.
No, he's fine. He's perfectly healthy.
When you need somebody to run a marathon for you, I'm not the man.
Salim.
Yeah. Courtesy dog was a black captain. His name's Salim.
Sure, there's. Still recording, aren't you?
I am.
You gotta show her that. Show her that on YouTube.